For those of you southern folks down there, this is what's called a snowmobile. And this will probably be the last time I ride this thing until next winter. I got enough snow to get it back to my cabin, so let's see if we can take a little trip with this fucker. Yeah. Push this little thing down, you go back and forward now. And let's take a little spin on my driveway now, by God. Got a few, I don't know how much snow, but got enough. I mean, yesterday my driveway was like, there was nothing here. Minnesotans love this shit, man. Wind chill is just nuts. Absolutely freaking stupid. I don't have any freaking gloves on because I gotta operate this phone. Click this up, little reverse action going on. And it is freaking colder than hell up here, man. Holy F the A, that wind is just freaking nuts, man. That is not even funny. Welcome to northern Minnesota, home of the Norse Vikings.